Hey, how you doing? This is Justin Stevenson at Toyota of Tri-Cities, and I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport Premium with tech package and tonneau cover. Why a premium? Why would you want to get a Tacoma Premium? Okay, well, this is the place where you get a sunroof, as you can see right above my head. That's why I chose this angle. The other thing is you get black leather seats. Black heated leather seats. The other thing you get with the tech package is the rear parking sonar and the blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alert. I dig the wireless charging station because my phone is new enough to utilize that technology. You still get the auto dimming rear view, garage door openers, automatic rear window. Good grief, everything in here. Nav, you get the JBL sound, okay? It's still a Tacoma, and it's stock of JBL's best system they put in a Tacoma. So, if you're going around with slaps, back in the day, you still might need a little upgrade on anything you get stock Toyota. But this sounds nice. For most of us, for me now, this would be perfect. I don't need to blow my eardrums out. I would like to be able to hear my children as I get older. But this premium, down the road, 5-10 years, the seats are still going to be super nice because they're black leather. Okay. Down the road, Tacomas are also going to be worth a ridiculous amount. These residuals on these Tacomas now are coming in at 76, 75%. It's crazy. The highest residual is a manual transmission. I wonder if that's just because they're very rare. I don't know. We're talking 1% though. So 3 years down the road, under 36,000 miles, your Tacoma is still going to be worth 75% of its MSRP. That's crazy. That's why the leases are insane right now on the 2019 Tacomas. You could lease this top-of-the-line leather with everything, TRD Sport with a sport tuned suspension and the hood scoop looking sick in the front for very low. The lowest I've seen in my time here at Toyota of Tri-Cities. This is Justin Stevenson. Have a wonderful day. It's Taco Saturday. Ha! Whatever you want to call it. Later.